Learning new things is always a valuable experience, and there are many places where we can gain knowledge. One place that I enjoy going to learn something new is the local library. It is a great resource for people of all ages and interests. The place that I am talking about is the local library in my town. It is a public library that is easily accessible and provides a range of resources and services to the community. This is a big library with thousands of books, magazines, research papers, digital resources and so on. There are plenty of resources to learn from, and one just has to be curious to utilize this place. I first learned about the library when I was in elementary school, and our class went on a field trip there. The librarians gave us a tour, showed us how to use the different resources, and even read us a story. Since then, I have been a frequent visitor and user of the library. There are different sections and materials that cater to different interests and needs. For instance, children can learn to read and develop their language skills through children's books and programs, while teens and adults can explore a wide range of topics and genres in books, magazines, and digital resources. I like going to the library because it is a peaceful and quiet environment that fosters learning and concentration. The resources and services are easily accessible. Moreover, the librarians are friendly and helpful, and they can assist patrons in finding the resources they need. Going to the library is not only a great way to gain knowledge, but it is also a fun and fulfilling experience.